So guys, welcome back to Share Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix back for blood profile service error and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it, and before that I'll be also giving link in the description where you can read the same article on our website, as well as you can refer our website for more Android games, iPhone and iPad social media Windows related topics. So let's dive into it. So the first one, in order to fix the issue, this is what you have to check. The first one is all about you have to restart. If you're on the game, then you have to close the game. If you're on the game, for the first thing what you have to do is, if you're on the game, you have to close the game and you just have to restart the game, and you have to check whether you're done with the issue or not, as well as you have to restart your PC and try to play the game, and most probably that's going to fix the issue up. And if it's not working, then we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to make sure that you power cycle your router, which means you have to turn off your router and you just have to wait for a short period of seconds. You have to turn it back and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not with that, the next is all about you have to make sure that is it is not going through any kind of server down or any kind of issues with that. Then most probably that is the issue what you have to be fixed. Sometimes due to the issue with the servers can also fix that can also be an issue, so you have to make sure there is no big things is running in the background as well as on the things. And also these are the basic steps which you have to try out, like means you have to restart your PC, you have to restart your game, and make sure once it is done you have to make sure that your power cycle, you have to power cycle your router, as well as you have to switch off your router for a short period of seconds, hardly for 30 seconds. You just have to turn it on and you have to see whether you're done with this one, and if it's not working, along with that you have to go for this one. So these are the basic things which you have to try out when you're having back for blood profile service error, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.